Hey, thought I'd do a little studio tour. I finally started working in my studio yesterday, so that was a full week, as I knew it would be. I haven't gotten to put up any art in my studio yet, but it is getting into shape. So you come up the stairs in Tony's School of Music. And then over here, I have my wonderful antique drafting table that is my main work surface and easel. And there is recycled stuff that I use. I use the plastic lids and totes. I cut them up for bases in my art. I have so much storage in here. All my paints and found objects. I have acrylic paint brushes. I started on a piece yesterday. That's my watercolor desk and my piping tips. And then behind this is a work bench that was left here full of tools, so I need to organize that. This is a mural I'll be working on starting today. More found objects organized. So as you see, there's still space in here. I haven't moved all of my frames and like recycled paintings that I like to paint on, but I'm very excited. I'm going to reward myself after I do this mural. I'll reward myself with getting to hang art on the walls. So y'all come see me. If you want to, just text or check with me that I'm here, because I will be in and out. Okay, bye.